guys, today I'm gonna make you my keto bacon, egg, and cheese chaffle. As you may not have known that I started my keto diet on December 2nd. I've currently lost 46 pounds. I'm gonna make you one of my recipes that I eat and I make for my wife, and she loves it. So let me tell you what's gonna be in it. Alright, so almond flour, of course gluten-free, some cage-free egg whites, liquid egg whites, organic cream cheese, 1 pasture-raised egg, 3 slices of uncured bacon, 1/8 teaspoon of baking powder, and teaspoon of water, and some provolone cheese. And we're also going to be using, I'm gonna do one on the griddle for you and one on the regular chaffle iron, so you can see what they look like in the skillet, of course. The new skillets that my mother bought for us for Christmas. So let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna put the dry ingredients in first. The almond flour and the 1/8 teaspoon. I don't have an 1/8 teaspoon, so pop that in there. Mix it up real good. Alright, and then we're gonna pop in the egg whites. And we got, I didn't say it before, we got 2 tablespoons of cream cheese. So, softened cream cheese. That's it for the actual chaffle ingredients. Okay, while we're doing this, we're gonna plug in the chaffle irons. And wait for them to heat up. Okay, we're gonna bring the egg and the bacon over here. So we got pasture-raised eggs, y'all, okay? I didn't used to be a real health nut, but I'm trying to do the healthy keto, and they say pasture-raised eggs are better for you. Same with the uncured bacon. It doesn't have any preservatives or anything in it, so it's better for you, better for your body. Fry up some bacon and the eggs. You want to put them in at the same time. Just gonna fry it up. Got some pink Himalayan salt here for the eggs. Pepper. See how dark yellow the egg is? That means it was a healthy chicken. Alright. We're going to let those fry up. Put the batter in the waffle irons here. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. Make sure not to overfill it, because it will drip out of your waffle iron. Especially the griddle one. Because the griddle one is like flatter. Alright. Close those for about 5 minutes, 4 to 5 minutes. Okay, we got our egg done. You can cook your egg how you like it. I like mine almost hard, but not quite hard. Same with your bacon. See what the chaffles are doing here. Let's take these out, put them on this little cooling rack over here. You want to let them cool for a few minutes because they get a little bit more crispy. All right, let's let these cool and then I'll show y'all how to fix them up. Okay, so let's make this thing up here. So we got the bottom, we got the cheese. Y'all can use whatever cheese you want. I use provolone, I prefer it. And of course the egg and the bacon. And the top. Just a little taste here. It's actually very good. The bread, it's like actual bread, I guess I could say. And then, you know, the cheese. And tastes like a good bacon, egg, and cheese biscuit. So guys, that's it for my chaffle bacon, egg, and cheese recipe. I might decide to do some more recipes and stuff for y'all. Maybe take you a little bit on my keto journey. So make sure you subscribe and hit the like button. And I'll see y'all next time.